Namaskar, my name is Payal Mehrotra Sahani, and today, on World Autism Awareness Day, I wanted to share with you all the little that I have observed about this disorder and how Vastu has helped me in my cases regarding this disorder. Most of the time, what we hear is that autism spectrum disorder does not have any single known reason for it. However, research suggests that genetics and environmental factors could be the cause of it. In this video, let's discuss briefly what is autism. Secondly, few common symptoms of autism. And thirdly, as per our Vedic science of Vastu, what could be the reasons which could lead to autism spectrum disorder? So let's get started. Autism spectrum disorder is a condition related to the development of the brain, and this impacts how a person reacts, perceives and communicates socially. अब कुछ common symptoms of autism are impairment, delayed development within the domain of social interaction and communication. मतलब that इन लोगों का जो mental development होता है वो थोड़ा delayed होता है in regards to वो कैसे लोगों के संग बातचीत करते हैं, वो कैसे लोगों से deal करते हैं. Thirdly, वो ज़्यादातर ये लोग अलूफ रहना पसंद करते हैं, खुद में खेलना पसंद करते हैं. And if they are actively interactive, अगर वो बातचीत करते भी हैं, then also their attempt of interactions are generally inappropriate. Fourth, I should say that इनके लिए common questions या directions इनको समझने में मुश्किल होती है. I will say that as a society, as a community, हमें ये कोशिश करनी चाहिए that we're able to accept them. ना कि हमें इनको strangely देखना चाहिए, घूरना चाहिए या observe करना चाहिए. I mean, just imagine what would their own family members be going through. ये तो हम सभी जानते हैं that autism is a brain-related disorder. And after doing few such cases, I wanted to share the valuable information of our Vedic scriptures with you all. देखिए, according to Samrankar Sutradhar, Nighantu and Vishkarma Prakash, if the northeast area of your house, the northeast direction of your house has a toilet, a septic tank, an overhead water tank, gas burner, or even if the northeast area has a cut, मतलब कि in comparison to the other space, बाकी के घर से वहाँ पे एक cut है, वहाँ पे zone गायब है वो वाला, then it could impact the brain and further lead to autism. देखिए, वास्तु पुरुष का जो सर होता है ना, मतलब विश्वकर्मा प्रकाश के अनुसार वास्तु पुरुष का जो सर होता है वो नॉर्थ ईस्ट एरिया में आता है. एंड यही वो स्थान है जो जुपिटर, प्लैनेट जुपिटर मतलब गुरु का स्थान माना जाता है. और गुरु हमें ज्ञान देता है, हमारे को ज्ञान को रिटेन करने में मदद करता है, वो हमें ज्ञान रिटेन करने की क्षमता प्रदान करता है. These Vastu defects, could be in any of the houses where the child was conceived or where the child was born or even where currently the child is residing. तो ये किसी भी जगह पे हो सकता था अगर वो अलग अलग घर रहे हों तो. I am not saying that if you have a toilet in the northeast or the other symptoms that I've mentioned, तो आपके बच्चे को या आपके घर में किसी को autism होगा ही होगा. No. All I'm saying that if you know somebody who has autism or if anyone in your family has autism, then you must observe your space. Then you must consult a Vastu expert who can help you create an conducive environment and for a better, healthier life. देखिए, एक वास्तु कंसल्टेंट, एक वास्तु एक्सपर्ट नॉर्थ ईस्ट के संग संग बाकी के जोन्स को भी कंसिडर करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वेस्ट के डायरेक्शन को कंसिडर किया जाता है इम्पेयरमेंट के लिए, ऑटिज्म में जो इम्पेयरमेंट होता है उसके लिए. नाउ गोइंग फर्दर, थेरेपी वाइज, थेरेपी में हम we break the tasks and we convert them into much smaller and simpler components, and we teach new skills, by giving rewards or incentives which are very child specific, उस particular बच्चे के जो interests होंगे उसके हिसाब से. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Soon, I will be sharing details on how a store in the northeast area led to clots in the brain to my very own grandfather.